In this video, we will go one step further and build a simple CRUD application using ASP.NET Core for the backend and React.js for the front end. We will create a small products module where users can view a list, add new products, update them, and delete them. You will need Visual Studio, a database like SQL Server or SQLite, and some basic knowledge of Entity Framework Core. Let us start by creating a simple product model with the ID, name, and price properties. Next, we will add a DB context class which tells Entity Framework how to talk to our database. We will configure the database connection in program.cs and add it to the dependency injection container. Now, let us create an API controller with the get and post endpoints to fetch and insert products. Later, we will add, update, and delete. In React, we will store our product list in a state variable. In useEffect, we call our backend API to fetch products and update state. Let us display the products inside a simple HTML table. To add a product, we will create a simple form. When we submit, we send a post request to our API and update the product list. Next, we add edit and delete buttons. Clicking edit will update a product with the put. Clicking delete will remove it using delete. Now, we can test our CRUD operations. You should be able to list, add, edit, and delete products directly from React with the changes stored in the database. In summary, you learned how to build a complete CRUD application with ASP.NET Core and React.js using EF Core as the database layer. In the next videos, we will dive into authentication, React Router, and advanced APIs with pagination and sorting.